These are my jib lines. As you can see, they've gotten pretty old. This one in particular is shot, so this is right about where it would cleat in the slack state. Pulling it in, I was still using it. Lots of stretch, of course. Not sure how much more it'll take. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Today we're gonna replace it. Went to West Marine and looked at their prices on rope. Unfortunately, the rope I would need would likely be about the same cost that I paid for the entire boat. So we're gonna try to do it with some less expensive shorelines. This is just a 15-footer. We'll take these out and then we'll loop in the new ones. There you go. Out with the old. The ropes are roughly the same length. To get ready to lay it in the jib, I'm just doubling this one over so they're equal lengths. Then I'll take that hook, well, that loop, and put it through the grommet at the base of the jib, and then send both ends through it. That'll lock it down. I'll have equal amounts on each side. Can't do this one-handed. Now that I have the loop, just pull through the other two ends.